All right, Corey, thank you. 901 Department of Health Services releasing the latest numbers of COVID-19 in our state. We brought those to you about a half an hour ago. Renee joins us now with a further breakdown of what we've seen. Hello, Renee.
Yeah, relatively low numbers that we've been used to seeing on Mondays, but these are even lower than normal, I think, that we've seen lately, because we really have seen kind of a kick in these numbers since after the holidays hit. So 3,741 new COVID cases being recorded in the last 24 hours. 4 additional deaths that they are adding to that total number of deaths being 13,124, and 10,700 new tests being performed that are being reported over the last 24 hours. Interestingly, we're seeing a percent positivity right now at 5%. I'd say don't pay too much attention to that number. That is certainly going to go up. This is only about 60 tests being reported in that number. So you can see kind of Monday how it's a little bit wonky in terms of these reporting figures. However, last week we're now down to 16% positivity. So as the tests come in and they kind of backdate some of these as well, you can see those numbers shift around just a little bit. In terms of hospitalizations, we're seeing just a little bit of a dip, kind of maintaining the numbers that we had on Sunday as well. But 3,800, I believe we're seeing 3,654 patients in the hospital being treated for COVID-like symptoms. But how do we look across the entire country? Not good. You can see Arizona down here in the lower left-hand portion. We are in the dark blue, which means over 500 hospitalizations per 1 million people. And you can see we topped the entire country. So that's the big talk across the nation right now, is why our COVID cases are ending up with so many hospitalizations. And you're seeing that represented right here. In terms of the number of intensive care unit beds, we are at 9% right now availability. You can see just a little bit of a downward trend in the number of COVID patients that are taking up those ICU beds. Troy?
All right, Renee, thank you for that.